Hi there! In this video I wanted to show you how I created this placemat. The one thing you should know about me, I'm a homebody, so whenever I crochet I'm keeping my gown on and my pages and all that. I'm at home, this is my hobby and this is what I do, so please put up with my style and look at the video that I'm making and not how I look. Right, so I have created this placemat. I have no idea if you can see it because I don't see what I'm recording. I'm very new to this. So this is a square shape beige colored placemat. It's 32 centimeters by 24 centimeters and it's following a very simple path or pattern. Sorry about it. So I'm starting it with a chain of 40 and then I do a row of single crochet US stamps. And then what I do, this is a relatively simple pattern. I just started with one single crochet in the first chain and I go on with double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. And then the second row of a pattern is just a single crochet and it goes on like this: single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. So let's start it and let's see how it goes. I'm using red heart yarn. This is Aran yarn and it's very durable. Yeah, it does look quite soft and homey, but it does make any creations really durable. I'm also using a crochet hook 3.5 millimeters or number 6. Right, so all we have to do is just making a starting knot. I'm so not aware of all the expressions used in this crocheting world because I'm Hungarian. You might hear it in my English. So this is the starting chain that we start with, and we're just gonna do 40 chains. In this case I will not do 40 chains because all I want to do is just to show you the pattern, so I'm gonna make a few. The main thing is it has to be in an even number because the pattern consists of 2 stitches and you start with a single crochet line or row. So let's do some single crochets. I don't even know what's the UK term for this. Because I started to learn crocheting online since I live in the UK, anything I know about crocheting is really in English. But the most popular videos for some reason are the American ones and Turkish ones. Turkish people can crochet really well. I'm very surprised not only the type and number of stitches that they know, but also their creativity is just fascinating. And another good source that I'm using, obviously, it's Instagram and Pinterest, but everybody knows that. They are a great source of information in sense of basic crochet patterns, more complicated ones, and also projects that you can start doing. I have made a few bags and a few placemats, round shaped and square shaped already. And yeah, they're really nice. They came out nice. I keep testing everything I see online and I see A, if I like creating them, B, how they come out and what sort of yarn I would use, because buying yarn is absolutely a trial and error if you are a starter or a beginner. So this is the first row. This is just a row of single crochet. That's how you start the whole pattern. Now you have to keep in mind that when you do the actual pattern that will be on the front side, then you will have to see the back side off the crochet. So this time, when you see this one, the back side of it, you do 1 single crochet in the first chain, yarn over, pull through, and that's it. And the second one is going to be a double crochet. If you don't know double crochet, I suggest you do a very beginner video, but it's quite obvious as I do it, how I do it. So after the double crochet, there's a single crochet. There we go. So do this. I don't even know the expressions. Just yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and it's done. This is a double crochet, and the single crochet is just put your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all through, and this is the single crochet. So let's just follow this part to the end of the row, and then we turn it and we'll see how it looks. It's so funny, when I started the crocheting, I really wasn't expecting any result or success. All I wanted to do is sort of put myself in a meditative state, and the more you repeat patterns, the more you get into that rhythm of just relaxing, and it does really do good to me. I don't know how you feel about it, but I really like how it makes me feel. It's just literally doing the same things, and you don't even have to concentrate on it after a while. So the last one, I tried to put it through, pull through, and there we go, and then chain 1 and turn. Now you will see the pattern is coming along. That's how it looks. Sorry for the constant sniffing. I just came out from COVID and I started to feel a little bit better now. Horrible illness. I don't wish it upon my enemies. So the next one, whenever you see the front of it, like the real pattern, that's when you need to do a row of single crochet. The first one is obviously a single crochet to result in a nice finish on the side. And it's a bit tricky because there are 2 stitches, so the first stitch is always a little bit higher up than the second one. The second one is more obvious because it's a bigger hole. But all you have to do is just get used to seeing those and then put the hook in the right hole. Yarn over, pull through. That's the bigger one. Yarn over, pull through. So boring. Do I keep telling? Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, blah, 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 blah. But we're nearly there. We're getting there, getting to the end, so I can show you how it looks. So all you have to do is really just crawl through all these rows. One row is starting with a single crochet and then goes with a double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, finishing with a single crochet, and then turn the whole work and then just do a single crochet row. And this is pretty much all you need to know about it. Main thing is the tension. Try to keep it even so it gives a perfect pattern, because this is a repeat pattern, so it has to be really just the same everywhere. So that's how I look. Ta-da!